Hey friends, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my August Slay Glam Box. Now I do pay $24 for this box, but I've already recorded and edited this video. But then in my head, I had a thought. I'm like, whenever I see makeup I have not tried before, I always first think, how is it going to last throughout the day? Is it safe for me to wear it at work? Because I don't like wearing new makeup to work because I don't want to look like a train wreck at the end of my day at my job. I want to look professional the entire time. So I thought it'd be interesting to do a end of day test so I could see how it looks at the end of the day. Does it still look amazing? Do I look like I slept in my makeup? So I thought that it would be interesting to show. I can't be the only one that has this thought in my head, but I may be. Let's go ahead and jump on the palette. So this is by Rasha B Cosmetics, and I absolutely love her formulas. So this is the Pear Dot palette, and I absolutely love the shade green on my eyes. I'm shocked this is for August. I would think this would be a March palette, but I'm not hating on green. All right, so I am wearing a couple of these shades. This really deep green over here, I am wearing at my crease. Then over at the inner part of my eyelid to the middle of my eyelid, I'm using this Evening Emerald right over here. Now, thank goodness that I learned my lesson on the first video. These shimmer shades, you do not want to use your brush with them. When I used my brush and I fluffed it to blend it in, I looked like I was hit by a glitter bomb in my face. I had glitter on my forehead, my eyebrows, underneath my eyes, on my cheeks. It was everywhere. And I hate glitter on my face. My eyes, absolutely. My face, no. So I did it a bit different. So what I did is I used this deep green and, like I said, the crease. Then I needed a deep color and I did not have it in this palette, so I had to bring another one. In case you want to create this look, I want to show you what I use. So this Anastasia palette I got in one of my boxes. I used the deep berry over here and I just put it at the outer V of my eye, and then I put the NYX glitter glue on there, and then I tapped it in with my finger, the Evening Emerald. And it was absolutely beautiful. And even when I put my eyeliner on where the glitter was, some flaked off, but that one was easy to clean up and I didn't have glitter all over my face. So I even had to touch up where I put my eyeliner because some of it fell. So make sure that you're using a glitter glue. It does not have to be NYX. That is just my personal favorite. And make sure you're using your finger. Do not let these glitter shades even look at a brush. Because I really love how my eye look turned out. I had to do so much cleaning up on my look. The first video I did, it was a lot of headache, and I was able to escape it doing this plan. And I want to set you up for success. All right, so the second thing is by Charmacy, and this is a highlighter. And this is, it's like a squishy highlighter. I like it a lot. So it's like a powder, but it's creamy. Now, I used it at the inner part of my eye. I absolutely love it. That's how I'm going to use it. This color is stunning. I mean, look at that. That is so gorgeous. And I just swirl it together. I know everybody wants me to wear different colors because I'm a person that likes to wear champagnes, golds, and things like that for my highlighter. So I compromised. I put my gold highlighter on, and then I put this very lightly on top. And I think it looks pretty. Am I going to wear this as a highlighter every day? No, I'm going to stick with it at the inner corner of my eye. And I just realized I did not show you the swatches of the glitter shades of the palette. And I need to do that because they're really stinking beautiful. Isn't that so pretty? Just don't let a brush go near it. All right, so the next thing I really liked was this mascara. First off, the packaging is gorgeous. And it is a green mascara, and it's by, I believe, yeah, Drip and Diamonds. And here's the wand. And it's like an emerald forest green, so it's really deep. And how I use this is I put my regular mascara on, let it dry, and I put this on as a top coat. And then I've just put it by itself on my lower lash line, and it is so pretty. Sometimes you will get a colored mascara and you can tell they did not invest in the formula. I love this formula. I love this brush. Every time I wear green eyeshadow or I want that hint of color, I'm going to use this. This is a bomb mascara. Absolutely love it. And it's just a light hint of color. So when you're out in the sunlight and you look, you could see the little color just like glimmering on there. It's not overkill whatsoever, and I absolutely love this. Okay, this is not up my kind of alley. So this is by Drippin' in Diamonds as well, and this is a lip gloss, and we received this before, and I hate this packaging. I like to have my lip gloss in my pocket when I'm working, and this stabs me in the crotch every time I bend down to talk to my older clients, because they're hard of hearing and I have to get on ear level with them, and I will not I don't like this packaging, but let's see how it looks on the lips. Now I understand, first off, I'm going to put a little of the thin lip gloss on. This is by Grande Lips, and I really like it, because I don't want to add too much of this green gloss. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on my hand. So it's pretty, but it's green. And I understand that, I think it's Rasha B that picks all these products, and she wants everything to look the same and come together, but you don't have to use the same color for everything. Like, I think that a lot of people don't know what kind of lip color to go with a green eye. So if she did a lip color that would tie together on that, I think that would be amazing. I think that would tie a look better than just making everything the same shade. But let's go ahead and try what it looks like. See, this is really pretty. But this has a time and a place. If I'm going out to dinner, if I'm doing something like that, then I'm not going to wear this. I'm not going to wear this to work ever. Dinner with my husband, no. If I'm going to a club, I don't do that anymore. But this is kind of, you're young going to the club or something like that. I'm not going to personally wear this. If I'm going to wear a gloss with this look, it's going to be a clear gloss. Now let me show you with a lip color that this actually looks good. Hold on. All right, so what I did is I put on a mauve shade. I really like how mauve looks with green. I absolutely love it. Berry tones go really good with it. So that is what I would do if I want color. And do you see how well that looks? I really like it. Now I'm going to try nude. So you could just see the different looks with whatever look that you want to create. In case you have this and you want to see how it looks on somebody else, because I think that's helpful to see how a look changes. All right, be back with that one. And this is my perfect nude. I absolutely love this shade. It's my lips but better. And no, if I'm not sure what lip color to go for, I always go for this one, and it always looks good. So if you're wondering what it is the Essence 8-Hour Lip Liner. And this is amazing. I ordered a whole bunch of shades. I have no idea what this shade is because they put it on the sticker and nowhere else. So I have no flipping idea. But really like this. And then I pair it with the MAC lipstick in the shade 822 Spirit. Absolutely love it. But that's what I wish that Rasha would do. She would put other colors with it that would tie in, because I think a lot of people get stumped with what shade would look good with their eye color. So I think that would be better than just placing all of the same color of everything, because anybody can do that. Green, 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 purple, 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 red, red, red. And I think that would be a lot more helpful. But I don't know. I hope that helped you. And I'm not changing my color again because my lips are burning now. But it was worth it because I wanted to show you, because to me that makes a big difference. Now we're on the last item, and this item I did not like. So you get 3 eyeliners, and I think this is Chloe Adore. I think that's how you say it. And it's gel eyeliners. You get gold, black pearl, and then green diamond. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, and these you have to press down really hard. The black pearl, not so much. I just do not like the formula of it. So here you go. The formula is just dog crap. I don't like it. So I am wearing the black pearl as an eyeliner, smudging it, and I got it to look halfway decent. I'm going to throw it away. As soon as I'm done showing this to you, it's going in the trash. The gold is underneath on my lower lash line. I had to really push it down and go over it a million freaking times to show up. So that is going in the garbage as well. So I'm not impressed. Maybe I will give the green a shot and see how that does, but I had to press it down on my hand to show up. And with the eye area being delicate, I don't want to sit there and shove something in my eye that hard. There are better eyeliners out there. So unfortunately, this is the only womp for me. I don't like it. Anyways, so that is everything in my box. I'm going to check in at the end of the day and see how this makeup is sitting. Hopefully it's going to look amazing as it does right now. All right, guys, see you soon. So it has been 7 hours since I've seen you, so I can't stay up any longer. If I do, I'll end up falling asleep with the makeup on my face, and I don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and see how everything did. So the eyeshadow, it still looks really, really good. I'm impressed with it. The glitter stayed where it was supposed to. I didn't have any more fall on my face. Now the mascara. I don't know if it's the mascara or the liner that is flaking on my face. It's only a little bit. See if I can brush it away. So it does brush away. My eyeliner still looks wah-wah. I wasn't impressed with it to begin with, but I'm going to continue to wear the mascara because the mascara is gorgeous, and I'm going to keep playing with that eyeshadow. That is amazing. And for the highlight, I'm really impressed. The green is still shining through it. I don't think it's lessened whatsoever, and it's still at the inner corner of my eye. That's how I'm going to choose to wear it, but that is the check-in because I'm not going to tell you about this gloss comes off, and I'm not going to be wearing it anyways. But that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I love you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.